President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, now you this thing I dey refer am to. You and the whole ABC chieftains, we gonna stop to the wear our Ishago regalia for our political campaign.
Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this medium to thank each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video and also praying for our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Another strong Igbo youth don finally come out to warn all the Southeast governors and the president of Nigeria concerning the Isago, our clothes where them they wear without our permission. So just take out your time and watch this video. As you watch this particular video, do not forget to share, because this man give them bass boss in this particular video. So as they watch this particular video, do not forget to share, because if they see people like this, they talk about our own people. They talk wetin I like for our own people, for the betterment of our own people. I like to support them. So you too support me so that I will still support these people. Share this video and remain blessed, because this boy don't give them waiting no good. Share this video and remain blessed. One love.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, now you this thing I dey refer am to. You and the whole ABC chieftains, we gonna stop to the wear our Ishago regalia for our political campaign. We gonna get some respect for our culture. We gonna keep our culture aside on our politics. Beg at the beg on her. Before anybody go say I don't swear for him papa or I don't insult him. Before I go talk say on be elder, I know they respect on her. If those stupid southeast and south politicians, puppets, where they follow on for back, no go tell on the truth, like Imo State governor, when no know say him be mumu, him go there for Tinubu back, Tinubu go wear Igbo regalia, unto waiting, write an APC for political campaign, unto waiting. After you imprison the whole Igbo race for Sokoto prison. Okay, you imprison us, life imprisonment, then they can't carry our regalia, come we are Oga Pulam. No, they use our regalia, they do political campaign. I beg you. This is why they tell you like this, no be only me, they tell you, both the spirit of the dead and the living, they tell you this thing. APC, what can I know? In fact, with all Nigerian political parties, what can I know? They use our Ishago regalia. Nnamdi Kanu has been wearing one Fendi for 5 years. Because when I refuse to give a Ishago regalia to wear appear for court. But when I go to wear the same regalia, nobody they talk to. I be like, all the people look at all the Kachileke Gamu. We can stop to the wear our regalia, they do a political campaign. Now beg at the beg now. If they no go tell on me, I go tell on now.
You see Tiger Base in Imo State. Everything you heard about that police station is 100% true. The organ trafficking, the torture, the unlawful detention, the crime of innocent Nigerians. Bro, everything you hear about Tiger Base is 100% true. They created that police station to tame Igbo youth, not to anybody want to tame me. If they tell you how many people don't fight inside Tiger Base, if they tell you how many people these guys don't waste inside that Tiger Base, they no fit carry you enter that place, make you come outside complete as human being. You know possible. If you come outside complete as human being, you go come fall sick outside. If you know that inside that place, if you come as you must fall sick, bro. Something must happen to you. Content creators in Imo State, you all need to speak up more. You all need to speak up more. Muna go around, make videos. People where these guys don't unlawfully detain, Muna come outside, make videos, make the whole world see what thing they happen. They create a police station to destroy Igbo youth. They create a police station to reduce the population of Igbo youth. At least if you enter under police stations, different people from different tribes they did there. But for that Tiger Base, 95% of the people there are all Igbos. Pure facts. So if you're in Imo State, if you don't get experience with these people, come outside, make video, say something, make they put an end to this nonsense. That police station is devil headquarters. Now evil food there. Those people they commit atrocities. Something you know if you imagine how they happen inside that police station. If you're in Imo State, make video. If this is not happen, if they don't carry you go to that police station before, come out and make video. Tell us your experience. They need to expose these people. These guys are evil. Now devil headquarters be that. Tiger Base. Now devil headquarters be that. If it say they don't buy you once, public for your head, buy you once, that mean they carry you enter that place. Most of now when they enter comment section, go they type on the experience. Make video. Stop typing. Make video, mount your camera, talk with your experience for there. Tiger Base. That police station don't waste a lot of innocent youths. Now so they go quick come outside, deny everything. kidnappers, they kidnap people, block people for road. Tiger base, come outside, shout saying a lie. Now so they go, you come outside, they lie up and down. This way they first people say, people will get this experience, no they ever come outside, make video. Muna make video, come outside, make video, tell the world the experience in Tiger base. May they put an end to that police station. That police station don't waste a lot of lives.
All right, good morning, everyone. We have actually been waiting for Justice Omotosho to do the right thing by allowing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to file his appeal. Since 20th of this November, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sentenced to life in prison or imprisonment. Justice Omotosho have been trying to frustrate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's appeal case. And the reason why he's doing that, I really don't know. Now, in a law that you studied, I don't know how Justice Omotosho became a judge. I don't know how he got into that power. I really don't know. Now, the law says a suspect that you have convicted has a right under your law to file for appeal if it's not okay with the judgment of the court. Now, you're trying to frustrate that same law by telling Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that the prison people have to be involved, aware that he has to write to the federal government. It is not Nigeria's law. It is not by force that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must get those people involved. It is not right. Omotosho is making sure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's date passes and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not have any chance to fight for his rights under Nigerian Constitution. That is why I keep telling all of you that this, no matter what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does in Nigeria, they are not ready to give him justice. That is why I keep saying that. And somebody will come and say, oh, that we are discouraged. Bro, if you feel discouraged, get out of my comment section. If you feel discouraged about what is happening, then pack and leave. Nobody's getting discouraged there. Saying, oh, that somebody was just writing rubbish yesterday. You can write all this nonsense, but you cannot use it to channel this your energy to the federal government. Do you see me being weak? Do you see somebody like me being weak? On what the injustice will continue to call them out. These people are terrorists. Omotosho is a terrorist. He's using the courtroom to terrorize Nigerian citizens. That is why Tinubu kept him there. That is why Akpabio gave him that position. That is why Wike gave him that position. Terrorizing the citizens of Nigeria. Omotosho is not supposed to be a judge. Look at what he's doing. How can a judge say you must copy the prison warders? Is it not the court that gives order to the prison warders? Is it not the court that gives order to the federal government of Nigeria or federal government of any country? Court has to summon them, not you. Not the accused person or the convicted person. Summoning those people, informing them of your decision. Omotosho is going too far with this nonsense he's doing, and we must stand up. And for you that are looking for somebody who is defeated, go and tell your brother that he's a defeated person. Fools everywhere. You will just come and be writing rubbish and thinking that is the way you think is the way every other person thinks. So please, Yorubas, we are warning you people. Tell your brother to allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to file his appeal case in peace. Otherwise, anyways, let me not go that route. But Yorubas, I'm warning you people to warn your brother, Justice Omotosho, Injustice Omotosho, to allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to do the right thing. This time around, we are not going to be joking. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu date passes, Nigeria will come down by the grace of God. If you don't allow Mazi, we have been patient, we have just been allowing, we have been civil. Even when you pronounce the jail terms, people, they said, oh, calm down, calm down. We have been very civil. Do not push us to the wall. Do not push us to the wall. Justice or Injustice Omotosho, don't push Biafrans to the wall.
Iwonye ka iwonye agbo esi je ko bini je me bini no ele monye bini nwonye nu ane nwonye ka nwonye ani oma ebe ngabia we speak Igbo. Igbo kaya so nwonya nioma somewhere in Delta State. In menu ye bini family anya ozo jon were anya ozo ba anya oza osaro osazowa anya aza la redian la rewata mawe bini kere yi yunwe iri claim history bini kere yi erewe ebo oche pa change odo ehwe ba ere zu eweri ni yes nwene na no do menwene na no ye bini do menwene onye Asaba onye Oshimiri asakarem onye Ukwana ya asakarem onye Igbo asakarem amena asakare kosara no he na so you any wonye agbo isi wonye agbo ni wonye ka ni wonye anioma isi wonye Bini based on history. You are from Bini. Yeah, no Bini no dey hear your own, you know dey hear Bini based on history. See your kingdom come from Bini. With your papa tell you, let him agwanama. No wahala. You with the DM me, ADM Muslim do, I'm not from Bini. I'm from Anioma and Delta. I speak N1. N1 maso. Maso la ledia. Maso John Mano. FML John Willie. FML Saro. None of them Bini do men how? Jeme Bini say you are when I'm not money. It's so no money. History. No wahala. Follow your history. Memani ngonye ka, ngonya nioma, ngonye nuane. Oshimili, Ndokwa land, Eka, they are all my brothers. Sinu melo ye Bini nwene how? Onye Bini na no na so mba. Me na ron hustle. Only 1 year no Bini nga so nga no ho lare dia o based on Canadian school. My primary school days. They can get no Bini. Jeme Bini say new year nwene. History. Esiri mi ejemele Bini o je go to Bini mi je ko Bini. Nwoye no ane nwoye ani o man do. Ekolo boku nu shin. People are fighting me. Truth is bitter. Jeme Bini. Nwoye no ane in Delta. Nwoye ani o ma. Delta Igbo. Yama so. If I see Benue, somewhere like Benue, see Benue, Hausa land. Benue is middle belt. They don't speak Hausa. Well, their separate language. Their language and Hausa people are any similar at all. You know near. You go cry. Everywhere you go, no man, everywhere as one. You will Bini how? Bini ano? What's the number one person as if and the Bini or Joe Willie or Ba? Ndi Bini who are then Daniel, why am more done? Why am more say little dino? Am I there anything?